welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing some nice Jamaican rice and peas today. You need yourself a nice fresh coconut, 2 cups of soaked red peas, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, scallion, ginger, the whole works. We're going to do it today the right way. Yeah man, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you like it, and put on your post notification bell. Let's get straight into this video, guys. All right, so while the peas is cooking, we're going to go ahead and prepare a coconut milk. To your peas, you want to add some salt. You can go ahead and add your ginger, some of your thyme, a bit more water. So we want to pressure this in at least 3.5 cups of water. I have oxed out my coconut. Now I'm going to cut it up because I'm going to blend it. Before I blend it, I'm going to give it a second wash. Okay, let's look at the peas now to see how it's coming along. All right, now that our peas is halfway cooked, we're going to add in the Scotch bonnet pepper, some coconut milk, and let that one cook out, all right? A scallion, some pimento berries, a bay leaf or 2, you can taste it and see if it needs more salt. We can just allow that to cook out, right? Alright guys, so now that our peas has 85% cooked, we're going to go in with like a tablespoon of coconut. The part that we blend with, just gonna add it to it, right? For additional flavor. Also, we're going to go in with like 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of green seasoning blend. In this I have ginger, I have celery, I have all kind of something mixed up. I'll do that for you guys in a next video. Some people add butter, but today I don't feel for no butter in my rice and peas. Me just go add in the rice now. Remember, wash your rice, right? To remove the extra starch. You can just give that a quick little mix up. And this is 3.5 cups of rice. All right, let us take a look at the rice now. Always reserve a little bit of this coconut water just in case you may need it or you may not need it, all right? Always use a fork and fluff your rice. This feel like it need a little bit more of the coconut water. See, I've reserved some. So I'm just gonna put it there. A little, not all of it. If it needs it, then I add it again, all right? Return your cover and leave it there to steam. All right, let's look at it one last time before we close off. So at this time you can go ahead and you can remove all of your little fandangles, the thyme and the scallion, ginger and all of them something there. what I want you to look for, right? If some of your rice grain are not cooked, you can continue to cover it on low heat. Let the steam cook it, right? You don't have to add any more liquid. And this is okay for me. Let me take out the pepper. You know, if your pepper bursts, that's it. Nice pot of rice and peas we have here, guys. Remove all your bay leaf and all of these things. When you're steaming rice, you don't have to pay it much attention. You just leave it, cover it properly and leave it so it's steam right through and through, right? That's how we like it. If you like your rice a little bit more friendly, go look here, by all means, go right ahead and add more liquid. I don't really too like it too friendly, because you know, say, when we cook on Sunday, we Jamaican take our rice and peas seriously Sunday, Monday. So what you see here is for dinner today and dinner tomorrow. So we're gonna give it 2 more minutes because I think I still hear a little bit more water on in the pot bottom. So 2 more minutes and then we come back. Alright guys, this is it. Looking so nice. Not too sticky. Everything is cooked thoroughly. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until next time. Bye.